Welcome back to News Watch 12 this morning. We're turning it over to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbreth over in the Weather Center, tracking our weather conditions. And it looks like our visibility has kind of really improved in our region.
It's definitely improved. It's still not perfect in Grants Pass, as we still probably have some patchy areas of fog and definitely some low-lying clouds for this morning. But in terms of very dense fog, we're just not seeing it this morning. Temperatures are chilly to the east of the Cascades with 30s and 40s, but near 50 degrees for west side valleys, low 50s along the coast in Curry County. So all of us need some sort of jacket for this morning. And I think throughout the rest of today, you'll at least need a light jacket, especially if you don't like the cold, as temperatures are going to be pretty average for this time of the year, if not a few degrees below average, which means that we're going to be in the low to middle 60s to the east of the Cascades. Middle 60s for west side valleys, also middle 60s along the coast in Curry County. It's going to be the combination of the temperatures and the winds for today. The winds will gust out of the north and northwest between 20 to 30 miles per hour for the Shasta Valley to the east of the Cascades and along the coast. So feeling brisk, but it's going to be a very nice fall-like day, but especially brisk for tonight, as we're going to be below freezing to the east of the Cascades. So if you're responsible for pets or plants or plumbing that reside outside, just be sure that you're taking care of those for tonight. But a little bit too warm for that within our west side valleys, as we'll have 30s and 40s, then middle 40s along the coast in Curry County. And we are expecting the potential for more fog to fill back into portions of the Rogue Valley of Grants Pass. Also, if the Great Basin saw some more fog, I would not be too shocked with that. Okay, then we are turning our attention to a storm system that we have for the Tuesday to Wednesday time frame. So we'll pick up the action at 8 in the morning with Stormcast, and we'll roll all this into motion. We'll stop at right around 3 p.m. and that's when the storm system is going to start to arrive from the north and from the west. So that'll bring some showers up to the Cascades along the coast, spreading inland throughout the rest of the afternoon and evening. So snow levels for tomorrow are going to be around 6,500 feet, but then dropping down to around 4,500 feet overnight. So I think through Tuesday evening, we could be tracking maybe around 4 to 6 inches of snowfall up towards Crater Lake. But for most of us, it's just going to be rain. We're going to have the most in terms of rainfall up in the Cascades and along the coast. And this would be water if you melted down all of the snowfall. So that's through Tuesday evening. We'll have more in the way of rainfall and snowfall for Wednesday, a little bit of a break for Thursday, but then another storm system for Friday and Saturday. Snow levels with that one looking even lower, as this week is going to be very cool. You can see by Wednesday, we're going to keep things about 10 to 15 degrees below average for late October. Here's the 7-day forecast for the coast. Sunny and decently warm for today, but then much cooler and wetter starting on Tuesday. And then for Siskiyou County, dry and fairly comfortable for today and Tuesday, but then the chance for showers starts a much cooler and wetter stretch on Wednesday. Then for the Basin, also comfortable and dry for today and tomorrow, but then we'll have a chance for rain and snow showers on Wednesday with snow levels right around 4,000 to 4,500 feet. Even lower snow levels for Friday and Saturday. We're talking about 2,500 to 4,500 feet. For the Cascades, we already talked about the amount of snow we could get up towards Crater Lake. And then for the Rogue Valley, just rain in the forecast, but definitely much cooler compared to last week.